Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit any web page and change the text using Google Chrome. This is a useful trick for testing or demonstration purposes, but keep in mind that the changes are only visible on your computer and won't affect the actual website. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, go to the web page where you want to change the text. Once the page is loaded, right-click on the text you want to edit. From the context menu, select Inspect. The Chrome Developer Tools panel will open on the right side of the browser. If necessary, click the small arrow next to the selected HTML element to expand it. Locate the text you want to change in the HTML code. You can either double-click the text or right-click it and select Edit as HTML. Now, replace the existing text with your own. Once you've finished editing, click anywhere outside the code. The text on the web page will instantly update with your changes. Keep in mind that these changes are temporary and only appear in your browser. If you refresh the page, all of the edits will disappear and the original content will be restored. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to edit any web page and change the text using Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.